Starting around 12 October 2023, STEPN truly is exchanging at 15 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in especially most recent 1 hour in an especially significant manner. GMT in every practical sense has a really complete market cap of $183,542,011 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,174,964 in an unobtrusive manner. This truly makes STEPN, GMT, truly positioning at 136 in the digital money market. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the STEPN cost forecast finish of 2023, what will STEPN certainly be truly worth in 2023, or so they basically thought. Is STEPN a kind of wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023, which basically is genuinely critical? Will GMT cost generally outperform its untouched high, which truly is genuinely critical? These generally are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT'(S' future, so this really makes STEPN, GMT, kind of positioning at 136 in the digital currency market beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2023. As per the STEPN conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the GMT cost especially is supposed to cross an essentially normal value level of 25 cents, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of STEPN, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to in a real sense be 24 cents, which certainly is very huge. Besides, GMT can basically arrive at an all things considered greatest value level of 26 cents, which in every way that really matters is very huge. GMT value gauge August 2023. Concerning August 2023, STEPN fundamentally is supposed to really arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of 20 cents, showing how besides GMT can arrive at an especially most extreme value level of 26 cents, which sort of is very huge. The GMT cost could generally arrive at an essentially greatest cost of 22 cents, with the sort of typical cost around 22 cents, which generally is very critical. GMT value estimate September 2023. Concerning September 2023, STEPN for the most part is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a very least value worth of 21 cents in a genuinely large manner. The GMT cost could truly arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 23 cents, with the typical cost around 22 cents, which by and large is very huge. GMT value gauge October 2023. The STEPN conjecture for October 2023 expects that the GMT may essentially arrive at a very greatest worth of 24 cents, with an extremely least cost of around 22 cents, which fundamentally shows that stepn, GMT, value expectation 2023, as per the STEPN estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the GMT value sort of is supposed to for the most part cross a kind of normal value level of 25 cents, the normal truly least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to be 24 cents, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the exceptionally normal value GMT can basically stretch around 23 cents for October, or so they sort of thought. STEPN, GMT, value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of STEPN sort of is really anticipated to generally arrive at an extremely normal cost of 24 cents, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of 25 cents and an in every way that really matters least of 23 cents in a fundamentally significant way. STEPN value figure December 2023. The genuinely normal cost of STEPN, GMT, could in every practical sense go to 25 cents toward the finish of December 2023 in a huge manner. GMT could sort of exchange around an exceptionally greatest worth of 26 cents with the sort of least expected cost of 24 cents, exhibiting how GMT value estimate September 2023. Concerning September 2023, STEPN sort of is supposed to for the most part arrive at a really least value worth of 21 cents, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. STEPN in every practical sense, past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been for the most part diminished by 0.91% in its in every way that really matters current worth, which by and large is genuinely huge. Assuming we by and large analyze the genuinely current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap is additionally down, exhibiting how this truly makes stepn, GMT, truly positioning at 136 in the cryptographic money market, or so they thought. STEPN truly is confronting a genuinely tough time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, which for the most part is very critical. The GMT certainly is down to nearly 3.37% in the absolute most recent 7 days, which basically is genuinely critical. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for sort of past essentially couple of days. The coin could essentially have major areas of strength for especially yet. We don't explicitly feel that it would a productive resource and sort of transient in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT especially diminished by 61.690%, killing an incredible certainly normal amount of 25 cents from its truly current worth, which sort of is genuinely critical. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a for the most part great especially purchase a valuable open door for truly fast speculation, exhibiting how this abrupt down sort of implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially be an excellent for the most part purchase an open door for sort of speedy interest in an exceptionally enormous manner. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is near 73.22%, and the cost essentially circled from a really least kind of typical cost of 51 cents to especially greatest pretty normal cost of 59 cents in the beyond 90 days, which generally shows that besides GMT can arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of 26 cents in every practical sense, significant way. STEPN basically is somewhere near 40.03%, with the kind of most extreme by and large normal cost of the coin explicitly was around 29 cents, and the essentially least really normal cost of in every practical sense was around 28 cents in kind of beyond 4 months, which fundamentally is very huge. STEPN value estimate 2023 facts. What will basically be STEPN really worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The GMT cost for the most part is determined to generally arrive at a very greatest degree of 26 cents, with pretty least cost of 24 cents toward the finish of 2023, so the GMT cost could generally arrive at an especially most extreme cost of 23 cents, with the exceptionally normal cost around 22 cents, which really is genuinely huge. Does STEPN generally have a future, or so they explicitly thought? As far as value, STEPN has a remarkable really potential to arrive at new levels in a very significant manner for the most part. It in a real sense is estimate that GMT will increment in esteem by and large further appearance, how as far as value, STEPN for the most part has a remarkable especially potential to generally arrive at new levels, which certainly is genuinely critical. As per kind of unambiguous specialists and business examiners, STEPN can sort of stir things up around town. The most exorbitant cost of